Hello, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you the easiest and fastest way on how you can download presentations inside of Tome AI. Now, if you didn't know what Tome is basically an AI website where you can type in whatever you want and it will basically create an entire presentation for you, which is really cool. It also gives you some pre-built templates here which you can use and just edit, and you can get a really professional looking template that you can use for your business or work or anything like that. Possibilities are endless with this, and it just looks really clean and professional. So let's just say we were to create our own presentation here, and we're going to click this, create presentation about, and it's going to ask what the presentation is actually about. So let's just say we were doing ours about cats. We'd type in cats, and that's literally it. Click enter, and as you can see, it's now generating an outline for us to create an entire presentation. So here we can see the title, which we can change if we don't like it. And here we can see all the pages inside of the presentation, which we can also change if we're not a fan of. And then from there, you just click continue. And it's now actually making our presentation in real time. We can see it being made right in front of our eyes, which is a really cool feature. So the presentation is now ready. We can now go through it. It also uses AI photos for the images, which is really cool, and you're not going to run into any sort of issues for taking anyone's art or anything like that. So when you've looked through it and you've decided this is perfect, this is just what you want, the way to download it would be to go in the top right corner and go up to these three dots here. And as we can see here, export to PDF. Now unfortunately you do need a pro license to be able to export it to a PDF and actually download it. Because if you're using it for your job or business and it's really helping you make extra bit of money and saving you a bit of time, then it's going to work out and it's going to be 100% worth it. So I hope you found this video helpful and hope you successfully managed to download your presentation from Tome. If you did, please comment down below to say that it helped you out. And like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.